Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Outlook in Microsoft Bing on computer. So how to use Outlook in Microsoft Bing on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To use Outlook in Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top of the menu bar. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear down. Here there are many menu options such as Translate, History menu and other menus. Tap Microsoft 365. Well, here there are many choices. Tap Outlook. Well, here you will enter the Outlook home menu. To get started. Well, here it is already on the Microsoft Outlook work display. Here you can use Outlook as usual. You can send and also receive Outlook emails. You can also create online meetings using this Outlook, without having to install the Outlook application on your computer. So that's it, tutorial how to use Outlook in Microsoft Bing on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.